Okay, I just got done trying out this little drone. It's very cool, very fun. Has great battery life so far. I've really enjoyed it. Some cool features. It comes with some extra blades in case you crash it or something. It does like the wings fold in kind of like this for like storage and stuff like that. So it folds down like that for storage. It's been very, very fun. A lot of power. I was just in the backyard flying it, and it went pretty high, and it was able to maneuver through the wind pretty good. It's got some cool LEDs on it that help you to know like which direction you're facing. The blue is forward, the red is backwards. It has a little camera here. Works pretty well. You hook it up to your phone and has some other cool features on here too. It has a button to land, also to take off, and then it has instructions for how to set the drone up, as like tuning it for when it's flying. A lot of fun playing with it, and this would make a good present. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it, like I have.